Okay, I just have to ask, do you think it's a sign you're here watching these signs? Okay, practice with me. Okay, okay. O and K is okay. O and K is okay. O-K-A-Y. Okay, okay, okay. I hand on your chest. I, just. You have an X hand and you're going to curl it so that it goes to the opposite side and up. Just, 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 just. Have. Your fingertips are placed at your shoulder blade. Have. Two. Swing that finger out. Two. Ask. Take your hands, fingers are going to be out, and you put them together and bring them up like this. Ask. Do. It's your first finger and your thumb, and they come together and touch as your palm and your fingers are pointing up. Do. You think. Your first finger touches the crown of your head on the same side. Think. It's. You have it and is, and the contraction is it's. It to S, one movement. It's, or the arm is one movement. It's. Instead of it is. It's. Just an A hand. Sign. So your one hands are going to be facing up and the opposite side, and they're going to do circles around each other, going up, in towards your body, down and out, and alternating like so. Sign. Your, you and are, and the contraction is your, here. It's an H hand, and you take it out in front of you with your fingers pointing out and bring it towards your body so that your palm is up and your fingers are pointing to the opposite side. Here. Watching. So you have an L hand, you curl it, put your finger and your thumb at your eyes, and then make little circles up and out and down. Watching with the Y hand down. Watching. These. So you're going to kind of, your hand's a little bit open, and then it comes into an S hand at the opposite side at your body. These. Signs. Remember, you're going up and in towards your body and down. Signs. Okay, are you ready to say it? Here we go. Okay, I just have to ask. Do you think it's a sign you're here watching these signs? Or, okay, I just have to ask, do you think it's a sign you're here watching these signs?